Good morning, tutor and classmates. My name is Jose Farid Tola Alapi, a student of Engineer System. I work in the Policía Nacional Colombian. I am 27 years old. We will talk about 12 modules. Today I will talk about adjective word, some reading and grammatical vocabulary. Exercise will be carried out. Listen activities also. Review of maturities and amount in received. There were things contable and contable new. The use of present continuous and the past continuous. Example: wheat is stripping again. They were having breakfast earlier. Then memorization and use of regular verbs. It is a great contribution to our careers or future professionals. Thank you very much for your attention.